What's up, my issues? Now let's share, y'all. Ooh, I ate all day and I'm so hungry. And I'm trying a different place, so please, 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 y'all. Please, I'm begging y'all, please. Don't do me wrong. How hungry I am right now, I can't take it. I cannot, I'm telling you, I can't. Taste is not being good. So we're gonna pray to God. Please. Okay, I'm gonna take my first bite of this. These potatoes, these cheesy potatoes. Okay. Okay. If that's any reference of how it's gonna be, it's gonna be a banger. Cause that was just a hit. I couldn't decide from the different sides that they had so many sides. I wanted something I would like. If you could give me a half a scoop of each one. The cheesy guacamole, and cheese. Butter. Okay, anybody can do sides though. Give me another little bite of that though. Anybody can do sides. What you eating though? I really wanted some ribs. They only got pork ribs, and I'm really trying to stay away from pork. Had to taste the barbecue sauce, so I just dump it on my food. And that's a spicy barbecue sauce, but it ain't really that spicy. But it's cool, it's cool. Let's taste. Hold on, that's the brisket. I just put my fork in it and it's so tender. Hold on. I told her to give me some of the fatty pieces too, because you know I love the fat. Hold up. Cause hold up. Pokemon. Okay. Let's take the chicken real quick. Pokemons. Bitch, I'm gonna come here every day. Every day. Off the bone. Falling off the bone. Baby. I'm definitely eat the bone. This is how good. Who's on my back? I want to know who I believe is back there making this food. Cause baby, I was gonna cook that. But look at the vibe. You just gonna get you a home cooked meal from Pokemons, baby. Oh, Poke Joe's. I'm talking about Pokemons. I'm saying the wrong name. Poke Joe's, okay? Poke Joe's is a hit, y'all. Not Pokemons, Poke Joe's. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know. I just gotta find out who grandma back there or something, cause this food. I just want to know who grandma is back there cooking this food.
What?
Who grandma is back there cooking this food? It's so good.
Oh, get this.
She going to get the chef, y'all. I gotta get him a. Chef boyfriend, you might got some competition. I don't know. Cause this food I eat it. You ain't fed me in the way you fed me the other day. I don't know. Well, tell him that food
I will let him know.
tastes like somebody Abuela. Okay? Okay, thank you. Abuela, I believe too. Look, I'm hungry. Let me finish eating my food. Potato sweet. That shit's so good. I almost ate it all, but I want to save a little bit for later. Damn. These is my people now. Familiar. Yeah. Yeah, they did that. We tapped in. I'll definitely be back. Pokey Joe's, yo. Whoop whoop. Approved. Delicioso. Moso. When you don't eat all day, your appetite your eyes be bigger than your stomach. Then as soon as you get the slightest bit of food, you just, I'm just so full. So full. Being full will make you rethink your responsibilities. Cause I'm like, do I really need to go do this? Do I? Or take a nap and go to sleep, cause that nap is sounding real good right now. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. We'll see.